Bakery-style milk bread is the best, no kneading needed. In a bowl, add a cup of warm milk, a tablespoon of yeast, 3 of sugar, and mix well. Next, add 3 tablespoons oil, a teaspoon salt, 1 egg, and mix thoroughly. Then gradually add 3 cups, 450 grams of wheat flour. At this point, start mixing with your hands until all flour is incorporated. The dough is ready when it no longer sticks to your fingers. Now cover with plastic wrap or a cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. After resting, take the dough and transfer it to the countertop. I've spread it out for ease. Now cut the dough into smaller pieces. I'll be using each piece at about 80 grams. Transfer this piece to the counter and let's open it up. If you don't have a rolling pin, plastic wrap works just as well. With the dough rolled out, now we'll roll it from bottom to top. Repeat with the remaining dough, place in an oiled pan. Now let it rest for another 30 minutes. Then bake at 180 degrees until golden, about 40 minutes. Once ready, brush with butter if you like and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Sending you a big hug. See you next time. Take care.